Hey YouTube, so today let's do a quick harvest and then a quick garden tour. And let's see what we can fill our basket up with today. Plus, isn't that a beauty right there? That's about 9 feet tall. Or more. So over here in the green bean bed, we've got some green beans that are ready and some that are soon to be. So these here are for sure ready. Now, we've had these plants for quite a while, and they're still giving us, I broke this one, and they're still giving us green beans, but I think some of them are kind of like starting to go. So that's it for that plant right there. It still has a few little ones on there, so we'll see. These ones here, I'll just leave these for another day or two. They're a really good size. They just need to get a little more plump. But they look good though. Here's another. So yeah, so probably in like 2 more days or so, these should be good. Maybe even a day. This one I'll take. So here's a nice handful there. I see some nice sized Roma 2-bush beans here. Let me zoom you in so you can see. Oop. This one came right off. Look at this one. Isn't that a nice size? This is either the contender or the provider bush. Both of those are in here. So these pole beans here are doing really good. These aren't ready yet. Maybe in a couple more days, but I mean, these are overperforming now. At first I would get one here and there, but now there are pole beans pretty much everywhere. And these are, well, this one I can take. This one I will take. Now you can get them like this, or you can harvest them when they become plump like this. So I'm just going to take this too. Go some more. Oop. I dropped one. Where'd it go? Here it is. But this plant really, or these vines, they really climbed up on the sunflower. And there's still a lot of flowers forming and to form. So here's another nice size one. It's not ready yet. But that's how these pole beans are looking. My first time ever growing pole beans. There's another plump one. And again, these are from Burpee Seeds. So here is our okra plant. I think this one is Clemson Spineless, and I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna eat this fresh on a YouTube short, so stay tuned for that. Nice size okra. And it's about the length of my finger, so it's good. Here is a red okra plant right here. This was the Alabama red okra. I think that's the name of it. I got it from Baker Creek, but that should put on some okra soon. And there's a couple more okra plants in here that are starting to produce. And I can't wait. So now let's harvest some of these tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. These are the Sun Gold and Honeycomb, and they're ripe. And I really like how sweet these are. And they have like a citrus flavor to me, which are really good. So take a look at these clusters here. We've got 3 hanging right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. Came right off. If anyone ever wanted to send me any seeds or anything to try, all you have to do is just email me. Email me, and then I'll respond to you ASAP. These are really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and harvest some more of this basil. This was really good in the tea that I made. And if you hadn't seen it, I'll link it on here. But this made really good tea. And this is like a sweet one. This cinnamon basil is one of my favorites, I think, so far this year. This is really good. It's got some spice to it, and it literally tastes like cinnamon. It's good. All right, so a quick tour. These are those marigolds that are protecting these pepper plants here. These look good. This one here, I don't know if you can see it, but this one is turning red, so I can't wait to try this one. So far, that's the only one that's turning red, but they look good. These are the Ishikura onions, bunching onions from Baker Creek, and these actually taste really good. I know I should have grown these higher, one, and with more soil, and maybe in a bigger pot, I don't know, a bigger grow bag. But these look good. I actually tried them for the first time yesterday in some chicken salad. It was good. This is our marvelous mint from Baker Creek, and this is one of my favorite plants also. Remember, this marvelous mint is a mix of different mints. So we got these here. Those look the same. But then over here, this is a different kind of mint that's growing. So this little situation here I got going on, this is lemon balm. This is a type of mint. I can't remember which seeds I put in here, but this is a type of mint, but it looks like basil to me. I don't know, but I think it's mint. This is a mint variety that's slowly growing. And these two are stevia. I started these from seed a while ago, and they decided to come up. And I'm excited to see what these are gonna do. I know these aren't cold tolerant, but this is what I got. And then they say this is hard to grow. I grew this right in my backyard, so stevia. So also in between here is this cinnamon basil. I don't know why I grew so much cinnamon basil. I think I knew I was gonna like it my first time growing it, but this for sure could have used a bigger pot. Over here are those potato plants, the russet potatoes, and those are doing good from what I see. I guess I won't know till these die back, and we'll dig through them. Here's another russet potato plant, and then here's the one that the hornworm attacked. I think I may harvest this one this weekend, just because it's not a lot going on here, and I think it's got to be a potato or two. So there's a bulge right here. That's definitely a potato. But I think I may harvest this weekend and see what we got in here. This plant looks really good. This is the St. Kitts hibiscus roselle. These seeds came from the Okra lady, and I can't wait to see what this gives me. Some blue spice basil there. These lima beans here are still doing what they're gonna do. And this is another okra plant here. This one also came from the Okra lady, the seeds. And there's this big pepper plant here. We've got some more squash growing, which I'm excited about. The big one that I harvested was really good, so I know this one will be the same. Got some more little ones growing there too, so more will be on the way. So this here is my pumpkin plant. I'm shocked that it actually got to this stage, but we're gonna see if this grows anymore and if it gives me what I want, which is a pumpkin. So let's see how this does until the fall. And this here is some more cinnamon basil. And then next to that is a cucumber. So someone had asked how tall was this sunflower, and this one is a little over 9 feet tall. But this one over here that's yet to open is 10 feet tall. Now this one so far, this is the king sunflower. That's not the name of it, but that's the name I gave it. So I can't wait to see this open. So this is today's harvest. We've got a good amount of these sun gold and honeycomb tomatoes. Got the first okra, which I'm going to taste on a YouTube short. Be sure to look out for that. And then got some basil, which is starting to wilt because it's so humid and hot. And then we've got the mix of the green beans, the Roma 2 bush, the provider bush, and the contender beans. And this is, I would say, a really good harvest. Right from my backyard. Straight from my backyard. Garden fresh, and it tastes good. Alright, so that's today's quick harvest and garden tour. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And until the next video, thanks for always watching. I appreciate you. Peace.